Waarom lachen jullie? I have question for you, Ayuub.
Asking me.
You have a father?
I have 5 sisters.
5 sisters. You have brother?
I'm 18 years old.
Okay, wait. How old are you?
My sister, she's very beautiful.
That's weird. Why you say that about your sister?
I'm a big Muslim.
I'm a small Muslim.
من وين أنت؟
My favorite food is lasagna.
Legend. Okay. Can we talk normal?
Yes.
Okay.
From where are you?
I'm from Somalia.
MashaAllah, my brother. How old are you?
And I'm 18 years old.
No, you're not 18 years old.
You ask me
I don't believe you.
It's up to you. It's not my problem.
You are 18 years old.
Yes.
Why do you have so much hair here? I have nothing.
It's not your business. This is my...
But I want to. I don't have.
When you pray, say, please God, give me this.
You think I didn't do that? I do that every night.
No answer.
No answer.
Every night and nothing coming.
Yes. What do I need to do? Wallah, ik ben echt een hopeloos geval. Hij is echt diep aan het nadenken in zijn brein.
Okay.
Okay.
And when you have a time, you have to say Subhanallah, 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 because ajr, bro.
I did that. I also did that. And I also did dua a lot, but I don't get.
You have to cry.
I already did that. It's up to the next thing. Crying doesn't work.